Good evening, everyone. I'm thrilled to have the privilege of welcoming you to the 2026 Last Lecture. The Last Lecture is a cherished tradition that marks the achievements of our graduating class.
The passing of the cane. This ceremony has taken place every year since 1930.
Please join me in welcoming the class of 2026 Last Lecturer, Captain Tom Machum.
Have you been looking at this picture behind me? What do you see? Is it a map of the world? There is actually no outline of the land masses. There are dots, which represent airports, and there are lines that connect them. I'm used to talking to 320 people at a time, but usually it's,
ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard your flight to...
So that's kind of the serious part of the learning for tonight. It's also this, aviation is 6-7. I was told to put this in. Sorry. But you know what? That airplane is actually a 767.